Today in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a very powerful self-healing technique, and it's also called tapping technique or tapping solution. It's a very simple healing technique, and the name of the technique is called EFT. EFT means Emotional Freedom Technique, and it is also called as Emotional Freedom Tapping. Hi, welcome to my channel, Heal Your Life with Meghlata. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So now let's jump into the topic. What is EFT? EFT is called Emotional Freedom Technique. It's also called Emotional Freedom Tapping. Why it's called tapping? Because we use tapping in this. We tap on the meridian points. EFT is a technique where it combines two forms. So this technique combines acupressure with modern psychology, acupressure without the needles. Okay, instead of using the needle, we are going to use tapping. We are going to use tapping on specific meridian points while focusing on specific issue like migraine, like knee pain, or you want to release your anger, you want to release your resentment, anything. Okay, so it focuses on two things. One is it focuses on your psychology, and at the energy level it focuses on your meridians. Let's see how it works on our body. Okay, so when you are tapping on certain points on the meridians, it activates the calming energy inside you. It sends calming signal to the amygdala. Amygdala is a part of our brain, and it's also called as survival brain, and it sends signal to amygdala. So when it is sending calming signal, it lowers the cortisol level. Cortisol, if you don't know what is cortisol, it's a stress hormone that is produced in our body whenever we go through some stress. And we are also using certain phrases, statements while doing this process. So when we are using these positive phrases, it helps in rewiring the pattern, negative patterns in our brain into positive affirmations. So overall, it restores body's energy flow. So whenever there is easy flow of energy in the body, it promotes relaxation and healing happens very naturally. And it helps in restoring your health. Let's understand the science behind EFT. The research shows that EFT is not just a psychological tool, it has a real biological impact. Let's see how. The detailed study on this shows that when you're doing tapping on your body, it reduces the cortisol level up to 43% in your body. When the cortisol level is reduced to that extent, it naturally restores the relaxation in the body, a kind of calmness sets into your body. It naturally reduces the stress and anxiety from your system. So when in EFT, as I said, we use certain positive affirmations. So when we are using positive affirmations, it helps in rewiring neural pathways in your brain. It helps in breaking the old thought patterns, old negative thought patterns, and replace them with positive ones. So as a result, what happens? It activates the parasympathetic nervous system in our body. Two things that happen, when we are stressed, when we are having anxiety, our sympathetic nervous system gets activated and you get into fight or flight mode when that system is activated. So when you do tapping, parasympathetic nervous system gets activated. It helps in shifting your body from fight and flight mode to relaxed state. Where all can we apply EFT? We can apply this for any kind of emotional healing, starting from anger, jealousy, stress, depression, trauma, fear, for any kind of emotion. The name of the technique itself is called Emotional Freedom Technique. If you want to release any of your negative emotions, we can easily apply this, very easily and safely apply this to release your negative emotional pattern. EFT can be used in releasing the pain in your body, migraine, knee pain, any kind of pain. Why? Because most of the pain in our body is as a result of the emotional blocks in your system. So when you are addressing the pain, you are naturally releasing the stuck emotion in your body and your pain gets released. So you can use EFT for releasing your negative emotional pattern. You can use EFT for releasing your pains, the physical pains. Most of the pain are nothing but stuck negative thought pattern in your system. We can use EFT very safely for removing our mental blocks like low self-esteem, limiting beliefs, self-doubt. All these can easily be released using EFT. We can use EFT for enhancing our performance and enhancing our confidence, or boosting our confidence. especially if you are a public speaker and if you are not confident of speaking in front of people. Before appearing in front of thousands of people, tap on yourself to release the anxiety of speaking in front of public. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Tap on yourself and then go and address the public. You will find you're much calmer and you can be very effective when you're addressing the public. So before exams, we can release easily the exam anxiety and the anxiety in sports events and job interviews. How many people get butterflies in their stomach? So using EFT, you can easily release that tension and anxiety. We can also use it in relationship area. How? By using this technique, we can let go of the emotional blockages we have against somebody. Once the blockages are released, the relationship automatically improves between the two. When the blockages are removed, the communication is more freer and naturally the relationship between the two improves. It could be boss-employee relationship or husband and wife, siblings, parents, between child and parent, teenage child especially and parents. Any relationship, any relationship, name it, between friends, any kind of relationship, it will help a lot. It can very nicely be used. If you are smart enough, we can nicely use this for creating financial abundance in our life. How? Right from childhood, we are so conditioned about money and we keep hearing lots of things about money, like money doesn't grow on tree and we have to work hard to earn money. Like this, many things we keep hearing. All these things, when we keep hearing, gradually we start conditioning our mind and we start creating money blocks in our mind. So EFT helps in clearing all these money blocks. When the money blocks are cleared, you start attracting money in your life. You start attracting wealth in your life. You will start attracting property. You can do specifically EFT for that. If you're having any blocks against acquiring a property, if you're having any doubt about acquiring a property, you can clear those doubts by doing EFT. So EFT can literally be applied anywhere and everywhere in your life, in your day-to-day life. It's a DIY technique. Once you understand, learn the basics of it, you can do it yourself. It's a very simple technique, very scientific, and it's a very powerful tool for self-healing and for clearing all the negative emotion from our system gradually. If you are interested in knowing how we do tapping, please show your interest in the comment box. I'll release a demo video, how we do it on ourselves. If you found some value in the video, please like the video. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification. See you very soon in another video related to healing. Till then, please take care. This is Meghlata signing off with tons and loads of love.